Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disassemble Asus N580V model. First we need to unscrew all of the screws we see on the bottom panel. Four more screws. And the last one. Now, using a sharp tool, we need to open the back panel. So here we have our NVMe SSD. To replace it, unscrew the screw, take it out, place the new, and that's it. Here we have a serial ATA hard drive. To replace it, unscrew the screws which hold the metal bracket of the hard drive, then put the new hard drive in the bracket, and that's it. Now I will show you how to replace the battery. Unscrew the screws of the battery. Then gently lift it up from this side and take it out. Place the new battery and screw back the screws. To add some memory, place it here and press down like this. We have one more free memory slot. And finally, how to clean the CPU fans. I will show you with this one. The second is the same way. Unscrew the screws which hold the fan. Lift from this side, then slide out the fan. As you see, it's dirty. Disconnect the connector. As you know, I use compressed air to blow everything from the fan. Do the same with the second fan, and in a reverse order place back the cover, screw back all of the screws, and that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.